Recording.
Hey y'all, we are on Old Murphy Road. I wanted to show you this road. It's just starting to turn green now. I had to pull off there and clean my face shield. One of us hit something ginormous and turned my entire face shield orange. It was gross. It was all over the face shield, all up the top of my helmet. Just nasty. It's one of those bugs that you hit and then later on you think to yourself, man, if I was a Harley owner with nothing but a pudding bowl on, that really would have made a big mess in my face. This is why I wear a full face helmet. That and I don't want my jaw ripped off when I crash. But this is, yeah, March 27th. It's a Friday. And I do think it's 1 o'clock. That's what my clock says. I've been on the bike for, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half already today. Traffic's pretty busy. I think people are here on spring break. There's a lot of tags from everywhere else. On the main roads. On the main roads. I know I just jinxed myself, but let's hope we don't run into any traffic on this road. Without the leaves on the trees, look at those views. And I apologize, they're doing a lot of controlled burns in the area. So the Smoky Mountains looks really smoky right now. I don't know when it's going to rain. But a little bit of rain would be really helpful. And if you're asking what's getting me out on a ride today, well, I'm headed to Harbor Freight. We come up to our first vehicle right here. I was kind of hoping he'd pull off and let us by. He might not be like that. Look at that view. Look at that view. That is just amazing of the Smoky Mountains from up here in Franklin. Just amazing. Where are you all? Where are you all? I know where I'm at. I'm stuck behind a Toyota that doesn't know how to drive on a twisty road. It looks like he's been doing it for like the last 98 years. This is terrible. Dude, we're at 15 miles an hour. There are some really bad local drivers here, so be careful. The yellow line means nothing to some of these people. The white line doesn't mean anything either to this guy. But at least he's kept it on the right side of the double yellow line. We're going to go around him in a minute. Just bear with me. There's enough passing zones on this road that we don't have to pass him at a dangerous place. And you guys aren't in any hurry. Come on, it's Friday. It's Friday for me. I don't know when you're watching this. But we're headed to the Harbor Freight. That Mini Cooper's been occupying all my time. And I need a tool. Between hanging out at the Amazon Fitness Center and working on that Mini Cooper, I don't have time for much else. I have been changing a lot of motorcycle tires though. I think everybody that has wheels with tube tires, they have been replacing their tires this year, because I have touched a lot of tubes, more so than normal. Passing zone. We're just gonna go around him. No need to race around him. He's in a Toyota. It's not like he can do the speed limit. I couldn't ask for a better day in the mountains than today. I'm almost tempted when I leave Harbor Freight to jump on 28 and run up to Neil's Gap store. But I don't know. I don't know if that'll get me in trouble later or not. How that goes. I wasn't privy to the information of where and when we're going to dinner. Because why should I know? I may just take Way of Road back. Way of Road is probably better than 28. My buddy Elton John, he's been bragging about how often he gets to ride Way of Road right now. I'm a little bit jealous.